everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some corned beef. Corned beef is a really popular West Indian dish, and today I'm going to be showing you how to take something simple like corned beef and make it a lot more flavorful. So let's just jump right into the recipe. So I used 1 tin of corned beef. I washed it out a little just to make sure that any of the excess fat that was clinging to the corned beef from the tin would be removed. And as usual, all the ingredients and measurements that I'm using for this recipe are in the description box below for your convenience. I chopped up half of a celery stick, half of a tomato, and an entire onion. I also added some pepper in there as well. If you want yours more spicy, just add some more pepper. In terms of seasoning, I added some monosodium glutamate. I'm not even sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. I grew up calling it Agi, so that's what I refer to it as. And I also add some black pepper in the mix as well. I also add some cilantro as well as some shallots into my corned beef as well. So now that my oil is hot, I add my tomatoes, onions, and celery to the frying pan. I lower my heat and let it saute for about 2 minutes. I then add my corned beef to the vegetables and mix it all together. At this point, I am waiting for the corned beef to dry down. What I mean by that is I'm waiting for some of the water that you see in the pan to evaporate. I now add my cilantro and my shallots and I mix that in. As you can see, the corned beef is beginning to dry down and there is not as much water as there was before. I've now taken my corned beef off of the heat. It's completely dried down at this point and it smells so good. I'm ready to eat. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, let me know in the comments below. If it was easy to follow, you can also let me know. And if you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.